Stay tuned to find out how to make this decorative Easter cross. To start this project off, we're going to remove each one of the flowers from their stems. This will make it a lot easier to hot glue. This will be the cross that we'll be decorating. You'll take this sheer ribbon and cut small strips. Then you'll tie each of these strips up along the bottom portion of the cross. This adds just a different visual aspect to the decorations. Next, you're going to take this Excelsior Grass and hot glue it along the remaining portion of the cross. You can work in relatively big sections, patting the grass onto the hot glue, being careful not to burn yourself. Make sure you turn the cross over and hot glue the Excelsior Grass to the back as well. This will allow it to be more full. Now comes the fun part, decorating. You'll hot glue your flowers on any way you choose. You can do a pattern, you can go by color. It's really up to you. There is no wrong way to decorate your cross. You can continue to add flowers until it is as full as you want it to be. You can even add some of the leaves that came off of the faux flowers as well. This is completely up to you. Have fun with it. To continue adding decorations, I'm going to add these little dragonflies. They pop off of their little metal pins quite easily. And I'm also going to use a few of these little butterflies. I'm not going to use the big ones, just a few of the small ones, and I'm going to add them in randomly. And lastly, we're going to take another piece of that sheer ribbon, adding it to the top of the cross, creating a hanger. And here is my finished decorative Easter cross. I really wanted to make something beautiful this week. Something that, in the midst of all of this tragedy and pain, you could look at and be reminded that there is still beauty in this world. It may be hard to see it right now, but if you look hard enough, you will find it. I truly hope that you get to spend Easter with your loved ones, whether it be family or friends that you may be quarantined with, and just make sure that you stay safe out there. Leave me a comment down below letting me know your favorite part of this project this week. Remember to hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to the channel to become a DIY clubber. Stay safe, stay home, and remember to wash your hands. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys are having a great day. Always keep creating. I love you guys, and I will see you next week.